Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing the unboxing for Boxycharm for the month of December. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. Okay, so basically, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $25 subscription service. It was $21, but they just increased it to $25. But they also increased their overall value as well. So I want to say it's like over $200 or over $175 now. So you get like 5 to 6 full-size products. Now you get to make a choice. You get to pick between 2 or 3 items, I believe, in the choice. And there are full-size products. Not sure if I said that already. And they are also starting to do complexion products as well. So I think our first complexion product will come in January's box. So don't quote me on that, but that is what I've heard through other Boxycharmers. So yeah, I'm super excited. So I literally just picked mine up from the mail. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. So this month, the theme is whimsy. And then on the back, it tells you a whole bunch of information on stuff. I don't want to look at it. I want to be surprised. I did see a few spoilers, but you never know what you're going to get. So the first thing is in a little bubble wrap. I'm so happy that I got this one. There was a variation. I will post a picture here of the other option. It was like a green themed palette. This is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales palette. This is the Little Red Riding Hood version. How freaking cute. So it does have a little mirror, and then it comes with 6 eyeshadows, which there's like 3 shimmery metallic shades and 3 mattes. You can't really tell, but the red is a bit shimmery. So I'll do a swatch of the red, which is called Red, and then, you know what, I'm just going to swatch the whole palette. So that is all 6 shades swatched. I will say that these 2 shimmery metallic shades look super pretty. The mattes are a bit dry just from the swatches. I don't know how they're going to perform on the eye yet, so that will be the determining factor of how good this palette is. So I do like the colors though. They are really pretty. Okay, so this was a choice item. It was either this or the Saturday Skin product, and I chose the Saturday Skin moisturizer, which I'm super frustrated that I didn't get. So I'm gonna have to email Boxycharm about this. Editing Serenity here. I did email Boxycharm, and they did say they are going to send me a replacement, even though it's not technically a replacement because they just didn't incorporate it in my box. I sent them a screenshot of the email showing that they confirmed that my choice product would be in my box, so they're just going to send that to me. So I will be getting the Saturday Skin moisturizer, which again, I will place a picture here. So, yay! But this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. It's a soothing facial oil for fine lines and wrinkles. Soothe, nourishes, and smooth. So this is the box, and this is what the product looks like. It's super small. Let me tell you the price. I forgot. So the price for the Storybooks Cosmetics palette is $35. And then this Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil is $79. Who is paying $79 for this? Because I'm not. But it's nice that I got it in the box. The next thing is from Ciate London. It's the Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. So it comes in this little cute box. The shade is called Burnt. The packaging is pretty cute. It does come with a little mirror, but that is what the blush looks like. Let's do a little swatch. So that's what the color looks like. You do have to build it up, which I like because I don't like a overly pigmented blush because it's really easy to go overhand with it. So that is a really pretty color. The packaging is super cute, and that retails for $26. That's crazy. The next thing is from Estetica. This is the Pro Series Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. So this is what it looks like. This is basically just to clean your brushes, which I like to use a bar of soap because it's much easier for me, but this, I'm not sure about this. I will try it out because I got it. This retails for $12, which is a okay price, I guess. And the last product that I got is from the Brow Bar by Rima. It's a true brow makeover kit. This retails for $30. This is the box that it comes in, super cute gold. And the package itself also is super reflective and gold, which I like. I got mine in the color dark. I think there's 2 other shades. Okay, so it does come with a brush right here, a cute little small brush, 3 shades, and then I want to say this is like a brow gel. So this is a super cute little kit. I'm not going to swatch anything. This is like a cream, while these 2 are like powders. So I'm assuming this is supposed to be like a concealer to clean up your eyebrows, but I will try this in a first impressions along with the other things that I got. Because I already got a full face of makeup on. So yeah, I am going to be doing a full face of first impressions with all my Black Friday stuff, so I will include these products in there as well. So that is everything I got for the month of December in my Boxycharm. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything that I received, drop them down below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I would love to have you guys join the Rose family. Also hit that notification bell so you guys can stay notified anytime I do upload. And on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!